This video will explain the few of many moments in Star Wars The Phantom Menace that defy the laws of physics.
The sex. Okay, here is an example of bad physics for you cannot hear anything in space. The zip of fighters isn't real because there is no air for sound to travel through. Okay, I need to stop.
What's that? It's blowing up from the inside.
We didn't hit it. Look, one of ours out of the main hole.
It's going.
Right here in the space battle, you see ships exploding into a fiery inferno. This sadly is just impossible. The reason being that fire, it needs a critical component in order to start, and that is oxygen.
According to Newton's first law of motion, an object in motion will tend to stay in motion unless acted on by an outside force. And if this was the case in the Star Wars universe, then ships wouldn't need their afterburners constantly on. They could just use it in a short burst in a single direction, and then when they want to turn, they gotta kind of wing it. They're like an arc. They gotta shoot it in one direction and shoot it again. So they don't need to have their afterburners on. And in this clip, they have them on the whole time. Why? Why, Star Wars?
In Star Wars, weapons like missiles and rockets are used frequently but how effective are they in actual space? The answer is, they aren't, idiots. They are just unethical because they will move too slow to catch the speeding ship, so it would be like trying to hit Goku, as in whenever he goes really fast over there. So there's no oxygen.
Oh my god.
Goodbye.
Radioactive weapons would be much more effective in space. They don't need a medium to travel through, and they could just melt the ship's hole. They could just put a hole in it from very far away.
We hit R2!
One of the more iconic weapons of the Star Wars series would be the laser cannon or blaster. But are these accurate to how they would function in real life? No. In a large-scale space battle, these lasers would be much larger, invisible, and inaccurate. Real lasers operate outside the range of visible light, and then...
R2, get us off this autopilot. You did it, R2!
The iconic close-range naval battles in Star Wars set the precedent for space battles in every movie. Every space movie. Now, they are very entertaining, do not get me wrong. But they are highly, highly inaccurate. Now, the only proper way to conduct space battle would to be at the speed of light. And if that was the case, you'd be shooting at shadows the entire time. You couldn't even see them. It would be like when Goku goes, as previously stated.
By me, in the background.
By him.
In the background.
I'm the black guy.
and they would both just be firing at shadows because of the sheer speed of the space battle. And that, my friends, is 6 reasons why Star Wars The Phantom Menace is poop!
It's enough. Alright, chill.
Now you see this right here is some real physics. Look at that boy.
Not that, it's physics.
Anything else on the track, boy?
Pineapple Fanta with a special act of this. Why you sipping so much? Cause I'm Chris.
Coffee.